Welcome back. Continuing to work on Fairyland, a little Japanese house and garden. It's really cute. Last time we worked on this little end table and these two sets of steps with carpets. They got adorable as usual. And today we're going to continue on and work on these stone lions. And we need P08 and P09. That's in this bag. Here, these are really cute. Two little lions. Got their feet up on little balls. And we also need, B14 and B15. That's in here. And that would be these. D14 are the big ones and D15 are the smaller ones. And then there's 4 of each. These are 14 and these are 15. And they're telling us to take a 14 and glue 2 15s stacked on top of each other and another 14. And then the lion goes on top. Okay, those were cute and fun. Let's move on to the lanterns. We need bag N, which is here. We need 8 pieces and 14, which are these balls, these wooden beads. There's 8 of them. And we need 16 little gold beads. There's plenty in there. I'll just lay the whole bag there. And we need 16 of these and 12 gonna guess they're all in there too. We need 16 of them. Looks like we have an extra one. Yes, we have an extra one. And we also need M09. It looks like a rope and it's gold. There's one strip, 80 centimeters long. And we are going to be cutting that. Okay, so I think I found an option for the gold rope. I have some glitter thread here, embroidery floss glitter thread. So I'm going to try this. I've put some on a needle. And I'll go with that and see how that works out. So they're saying they want us to have 3.5 centimeters for 8 pieces. And we want to knot them at a 0.8 centimeter, put a gold ball on, and then put one of the gold filigree end caps on, then a bead, and then repeat it backwards. And we need to do 8 of those. So there's something. I'm gonna let a pretty long string on there. So there's one. Okay, here are our 8 little lanterns. Mine definitely have longer threads on them, but since I'm using a different material because they didn't include this gold rope, not that I could find, I used some gold thread, embroidery floss thread, and that's what I came up with. I'm gonna have to trim some tails and probably the length of these, but until I know how we're using them, I wanted to let a little bit of extra space to maneuver with them. So there they are, and they got really cute and shiny.